Hi, I'm Dr. Bonnie Eaker-Weil, author of Make Up, Don't Break Up. One of the most important tools we can learn and practice is empathy. That's walking in someone else's shoes, walking a mile in someone else's shoes. Compassion. We live in a me generation, narcissistic generation, especially the younger generation, because of technology. We're not doing face-to-face empathy. We know that if we're empathetic, and if we can understand where our partner is coming from, or our neighbor is coming from, it will foster love. It will reduce evil. It will reduce war, and it will reduce divorce. It's very important to be able to learn how to care about another human being. And with technology, we're not doing that. We're not doing face-to-face connection. We're not even keeping commitments. It's all about me. It's all about you. It needs to be about the other. Visit me at www.drbonnie.com.